Good morning. Welcome to day 11. Our starter is looking really good, active, bubbly. It's doing its thing. We're going to do a 1 to 4 to 4 feed today. I'm going to start with 5 grams of starter, and I'm just going to measure some out in my little glass measuring cup here. Let's get 5 grams. Be a little more accurate today. I'm going to clean the starter discard out of my jar because I'm going to be putting the starter that's in my measuring cup here back into the jar that I've been using. Okay, get your jar, tear your scale, and let's add the 5 grams of starter back to our jar. And then we're going to feed it with 20 grams of water and 20 grams of our flour mix. Stir that up really well. Ensuring that we don't have any dry flour left. And then wet your finger before you do this, or keep a wet hand. Don't touch your starter with the dry finger. It will stick right to you. All right, it's looking pretty good. We're going to cover it up with our lid and set it out of direct sunlight. See you in 12 hours for the next feed.